So today played out essentially how we expected it. One of the things that we love to share is that you can't predict the future. Let's not pretend we can, right? But we can definitely prepare for it. And in yesterday's video, I talked about AMC getting rejected at that $60 resistance level. If you guys go on the 1 hour time frame, it has been getting rejected there multiple times. Yesterday was simply the third time. Because of that rejection, we broke below the EMA line, and I wanted to reduce my position size. I had 3,000 shares. I reduced it to 1,500 shares. And you can see today that I have over 2,900 shares. Today I bought at $49.59 with 1,500 shares of AMC. So this drastically, right? If you do the math, 15,000 or 1,500 shares of AMC is roughly $75,000, $80,000. AMC dropped today alone. Right now it's only down 8% only, right? But at the point that I bought at, right, $49.53, it was down over 10%. That saved me by taking out $80,000. It saved me $8,000. So overall, I'm very grateful for, again, all the green days that AMC has blessed us with. But let's be honest. Let's never be afraid to reduce our position size when things look overbought or when there's indication of a resistance level and would continue to get rejected. So now, because of what I did, right, I was able to buy the dip, and if it does recover, as it does not have to, right, but if it does recover, and we recover back to $55 a share, which is where we closed at yesterday, then I can make back that difference with that $80,000 buying power. Altogether right now, I have a little bit over $146,000. I'm very excited to see how it plays out, how it performs. I'd love to buy more AMC, but the direction has to be in my favor. We've been getting rejected all day. Until now, we are actually trading above the SMA line, and we'll see if it holds. But this is kind of the overall market as of right now. We start very strong, and then it quickly pulls on back. The same thing with Tesla, the same thing with the overall NASDAQ market. NASDAQ market today hit 14,000. Very quickly, if you guys scroll all the way down or look for /NQ or IXIC, you can look a little bit more into it that we hit 14,000 very, very quickly, and then we quickly pulled on back. So it's a step in the right direction for overall tech. Most of my tech stocks are either just, some are red, some are green, but it's not very much, right? AMC was going to be my biggest focus today just due to how it pulled back. I wanted to make sure that I bought in at the right time and that I bought in with a dollar amount that made sense to me. So overall, I show you guys my green days, right? And I wanted to make sure that I show you guys the red days as well. I shared my plan with you yesterday. It wasn't that I wanted to see AMC crash. There's no point of that. I still had 1,500 shares, right? So I still wanted AMC to go to the moon just like everyone else. But there's an obvious resistance level, and I didn't want to hold 3,000 shares. So I decided to hold 1,500 shares. As it pulled back today, I happily bought those 1,500 shares at a 10% discount, and I'm happily going to be buying more as it recovers, and if it recovers, right? Because we don't have to see a recovery for AMC. So just make sure you take that into consideration, right? I really do appreciate you guys' time. Today's video is simply just an update. Again, I'm not here to upset you. I'm not here to tell you that I'm an ape. I'm not diamond hands. I don't care about that stuff. I'm here to day trade. I'm here to manage my risk. And I hope and wish the best for each and every single one of you. I hope that you guys can implement some structure with your trading, with your investing, whatever it is that you do, but just make sure that you have a plan so you don't get left in the dark. Like always, I hope that I earn your thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I will see you tomorrow for our live trading session. If you want to watch me trade live tomorrow at Market Open, that's that second link down below. Until then, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.